G'day ladies and gents, this is Nathan here again from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on a Jayco Swift behind me. It is a 2021 brand new van, although unfortunately some of the stitching on the canvas has pulled through and torn. So what we've done is we've gone through, removed all the securing screws and fixings that secure the canvas in place. We've removed it from the van and now we're taking it to an upholstery business to have the stitching repaired, and then once it's been repaired, we'll refit the sock into place, wind the van all the way up, and just ensure that everything is nice and taut and in the correct positioning. If you guys do have a new van or an old van that is a wind up or any type of canvas issues, you can come see us here at AllBrand. We do have connections and we do know people that can help you get it all sorted. And yeah, if you've got any other generic questions, just give us a call or you can come down and see us here on Connaught Street. And other than that, guys, have a great day.